Project Lifelong is working really hard to basically demonstrate and show that skateboard parks can exist on school campuses. Skateboarding is an Olympic sport, so we're really trying to bridge the gap that does exist and be able to offer alternative sports programming on school campuses. There's certainly a stigma around skateboarding. I really hope that we can bring a positive light to it, especially in public education school systems. There's so much about mental health that plugs into skateboarding. Them getting on a skateboard, that physical activity, just getting them to connect with each other.
More than just learning how to skateboard, it was teaching me how to build community with other people. It was giving me a different kind of community that I didn't have at school.
So many kids these days are just so critical and judgmental. Everything is cringe, and creating a space where nothing is cringe and everything is okay and they can feel free to be themselves.
We want kids to feel safe and feel like they have a sense of belonging. For a lot of kids, they haven't found their people, they haven't found their identity. We want kids to feel safe being themselves, and we want to be able to celebrate them. We do that through mentorship.
It means a lot having adults that have a love for skateboarding also show the kids and have a program where the kids are free to explore and free to fail, but free to also succeed in the same night.
Within skating, a lot of people think that it's learning about how to push, how to do a kickflip, how to do an ollie, but skating teaches you many other things. It's learning how to bounce back after falling. It's learning how to keep trying despite the fact that you feel like you can't.
It gives them a chance to try and fail and try again, and to try things that aren't easy right away. And I think skateboarding in a program like this gives them a really supportive environment to struggle with difficult things, which builds resilience.
One of the big societal gaps that Project Lifelong is really trying to focus on too is the gender disparity within skateboarding. By bringing Project Lifelong onto school campuses where young girls are already established and feel comfortable, we're seeing a huge rise in the number of girls that show up to skate with us.
Girls are taught to be careful, be perfect, do things right the first time, versus boys being taught to try new things, to fall and fail and get back up. As girls have gotten more involved here at Project Lifelong, I think I see so much of a culture change.
It means a lot to me that I get to be one of the female skate mentors in the program, just because I think that it's good for me to be there and help them. They feel like they can relate if they see another girl skating with them.
Project Lifelong is all about the human connection that's inherent within us. It's all about that human kindness.
Hella human kindness is, it's what we teach kids. Kindness is such a powerful way to work with kids. So not just learning how to skateboard, but they're learning how to share kindness with each other. So it really goes along with what Dignity Health stands for. Well, I think one of the hardest parts of Project Lifelong right now, it's expensive to build and go one school skate park at a time. So one of the big things that our Dignity Health grant helps us do is continue to make skateboarding accessible. We're able to plan and tell our kids, hey, we're gonna have a program next fall because we know Dignity Health is behind us. So being able to promise those futures for the kids is a huge gift that we get from our Dignity Health partnership.